And welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't shown my videos. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button so that you can receive update videos from my side. Target is 20,000 subscribers. Thank you. We start with Bitcoin, and then you can see here I draw here the positive trend line to the upside, and we have here a little problem because on this line Bitcoin falls very hard to the downside. My original uh, forecast or prediction was if Bitcoin break this here, yeah, that we going here in this channel back, then we could reach here 56,000. Yeah, after reaching 56,000, we have then the possibility to fall very hard, yeah, to the downside. This was the original prediction, but this fall yesterday make this not possible. Yeah, and this is the danger here because the vaults manipulate here some structures here in this level, so that this is not possible. So now we have to go to our second strategy. Yeah, this was the original path without manipulation, and this is the path with manipulation. Yeah, so we have to think now another strategy. The another strategy is that we have to look that we take this retest, yeah, and after the retest, then we could fall very hard to the downside. So you see, this is the same structure, um, but this structure is manipulated to the downside. So normally this year is this year, yeah, and this year is this year. So we have to think now complete different and have to adjust our limits and our orders, um, yeah, regarding the manipulation. And this is the painful in this trading situations because we not know in which areas they could manipulate some structure. But this is relatively clear. This is a negative channel here. That what the vaults make here. Yeah, they create here a really big negative structure. So from this negative structure, we could make um, a move like that to 46,000, or they could let the price of Bitcoin um, break this negative trend line, make a retest, and then be coming here in these levels. So I'm very exciting here about the situation, what will happen. Um, the experience shows that this fall is maybe 10-20% possible that we smash here to the downside here, make a double dip here. I hope you can see this better. So that we make here a double dip, one time, two time, yeah, W pattern, positive, and go out of this negative channel, make here retest, and then make here huge retest. But this year, this area is very positive. Look here, yeah. So I'm not, how can I say? I'm wondering that we go here to the downside without retest. The retest is important, so I think the vaults can stretch this positive move, yeah, to these levels, 53,000 levels. And one point also, if you look here, we the how can I say, the high level price was here 52,000. We fall to 48,000. This is a difference of 4,000. And if you add the 4,000 to 52,000, then we are landing at 56,000. The original prediction what I make, yeah, this original prediction, yeah, we can also reach with manipulation. That means we could make this move here to the upside, yeah, and make this move. let's make this in blue. Yeah, you understand? This manipulation will affect later, I think. Yeah, this is only a pre-step of the really step what is coming. So I think, okay, we see this. It's negative, negative, but this will end in such move like that, I think. Yeah, because if you look, the original trend line goes from here. So let's draw this. Yeah, so if Bitcoin break this to the upside, then we could retest also this 58,000. So not everything is here low or lost. Yeah, so but in general, you have to be here very careful because once we break this here to the upside, then the walls can stretch here 53,000, fall, or they make the blue line and retest this here 56,000 to 58,000. And that's the different to predict. But in the end of the day, the result is the same. The result is that we are landing. I make this in red. So at the end of the day, we will landing at 30,000. That is clear. The 30,000 is coming. That is clear. The red line is clear. Yeah, we have not to discuss about this red line. But here is the question how far the volts can go here to the upside. I don't think that this will take long time. Maybe in the next new year, yeah, I expect something like that. This will come because all dumpings happened after a big pump. So the original sentence what I said yesterday is valid because I think they will stretch this right shoulder to the high levels. Um, if they do not this, yeah, then also good for us because I said to you 53,000 to 56,000. So for me is a general view important and hopla, I'm too fast. So general view is for me important and you can see this exactly here. Look, if you zoom in or zoom out here, then you can see here a really negative trend to the downside. So if we adjust a little bit and say, okay, the border of this negative line is this. So, and then open your eyes. I'm not showing this in every video because these informations are very important, and for free I would not give this information. Yeah, but in this case I give you this information. You can see we touch this line, the long-term downtrend, one time, two time, three time, make a retest, and the fourth time, if we're coming here to the downside, we will break this to the downside. So for me, is here the question. Let's look. I don't. It's this. If this happening, then we have a really bad situation. Look here. If we break here down and make this, then you can forget this all things. Yeah, this is our last chance. Yeah, and this is very important. If we break this to the downside, you can forget all these things what I said here in 8 minutes. So also, if the walls manipulates here, then we cannot do something. Yeah, so I show you only the things what I think what the walls won't make. After the crash here, I think they could make a retest and then fall down. Or if they manipulate so big here, so that we come to this downtrend, yeah, coming in this downtrend, then we make only a retest here 46,000 and then 30,000 is visible. Have a nice day.